Welcome everyone to 10 Minutes Math. This is IGCSE Mathematics Paper 4 Extended 058042 May-June 2019. Let us start the first question. The price of newspaper increased from 0.97 to 1.13. Calculate the percentage of increase. So the percentage of increase is equal to 1.13 minus the original, which is 0.97, divided by the original 0.97 multiplied by 100. So let us bring our calculator, open the bracket, 1.13 minus 0.97 close, divided by 0.97 multiplied by 100. So the percentage is equal to 16.5. So 16.5%. 16.5%. Okay. Now, one day the newspaper had 60 pages of news and advancement. So I have N and A. The ratio number of pages of news to the number of pages of advertisement is 5 to 7. So 5 to 7. Calculate the number of pages of advertisement. So 60 multiplied by 7 divided by 5 plus 7 equal to 12. So here 5, so 35. So this is the number of pages. Write the number of pages of advertisements as a percentage of the number of the pages of news. So I have 7 divided by 5 multiplied by 100. So 7, which is the news advertisement, divided by 5 multiplied by 100. So 140%. So the percent is 140. On the holiday, Maria paid 2.25 euros for the newspaper when the exchange rate is $1 equal to 0.9416 euro. So $1 equal to 0.9416. At the home, Maria paid $1.13 for the newspaper. Calculate the difference in the price. Give your answer in dollars, correct to the nearest cent. So now we need X dollars is equivalent to 2.25 euro. So now X is equal to 2.25 divided by 0.9416. So it's equal to, let's bring out later, 2.25 divided by 0.916 equal to, so it's equal to 2.39. So $2.39. So difference is equal to 2.39 minus 1.13. So it's equal to 2.39 minus 1.13 is equal to 1.26. So 1.26. So here $1.26. The number of newspapers sold decreased exponentially by X% each year over the period 21 years. The number of newspapers sold decreased from 1,763,000 to 58,000. Calculate the value of x. So we know that 58,000 is equal to 1,766,000 multiplied by k, which is number of degrees, power 21. So k is equal to square 21, 58,000 divided by 1,763,000. So this k is equal to, let us bring out calculator. Now shift square root 21. Now here 58 so it will equal to k is equal to 0.85. So now x is equal to 1 minus k, which is equal to 1 minus 0.85, which is x% here. So it will equal to 0.15. So x is equal to 15%. Yeah, x is equal to 15. Okay. Now every pages of the newspaper is rectangular. Measurement 43 centimeters by 28 centimeters. Both correct to the nearest centimeter. Calculate the upper boundary of the area of the page. So nearest to is 1 centimeter. So it's 1 divided by 2, so 0.5 centimeter. We need the upper boundary. Upper boundary is equal to 43.5 multiplied by 28.5. So the area is equal to 43.5 multiplied by 28.5, which is equal to 1,239.75. So 1,239.75 centimeters. Yeah. Now AC is parallel to FBD. So AC is parallel to FBD is an isosceles triangle ABC, and CBE is straight line. Find the value of x. So this is a triangle and this is equal side. So this angle and this angle is equal to, so angle C plus angle B is equal to 180 minus 26. So both angles, so angle C is equal to angle B is equal to, let's find the two angles. So we have 180 minus 26 divided by 2. So the both angle is equal to 77. So this angle is 77 and this one is 77. This angle here is equal to this angle. So this is equal to this one, 26. This angle here total is 180. So the angle here is this angle. So the angle is equal to 180 minus 77 minus 26. So this angle 180 minus 77 minus 26. So this angle also is 77. And now this total line here is 180. So x is equal to 180 minus 77. So 180 minus 77, 180 minus 77. So x is equal to 103. Okay. Let us go ahead to the second question. The diagram shows circle whose diameter PQ. So PQ here is diameter. SPT is a tangent to the circle at B. Find the value of y. So we need this value, this angle y. This is a tangent and this is a diameter, so this angle now is 90. So this angle here is equal to 90 minus 58. So it's equal to 90 minus 58 is equal to 32. So this angle is equal to 32. And the total triangle here, we have this angle is face to the diameter, so this angle here is equal to 90. Now in this triangle, let me add this point as M and this point here as N. So first of all, angle B is equal to 90 minus 58, so it's equal to 32. At triangle PMQ, angle M is equal to 90. So angle PQM is equal to 180 minus 90 plus 32, which is this angle. So this angle now is equal to 180 minus 90 plus 32. So it's equal to 58. 58. So this angle is 58. The both angle here and this one also is 58. So angle N is equal to 58, equal to angle BQM. Okay. Now from the triangle here, this triangle, from triangle at triangle BMN. Now from this triangle angle, which is this one, this angle now is equal to 180 minus 58 plus 17 plus 32. So angle PMN is equal to 180 minus 58 plus 17 plus 32. So this angle is equal to 180 minus 58 plus 17 plus 32. So this angle now is equal to 73. This angle is equal to 73. So now in this triangle, so 73 is this angle. Now a triangle, at triangle B, and this one is PSM, which is angle Y, is equal to 180 minus 73 plus 32. So angle Y is equal to, let us add this angle now, 180 minus 73 plus 32. So angle Y is equal to 70. So 75 is angle Y. Okay, let us go ahead. The probability that Andrea cycles to the school is R. Write down in terms of R the probability that Andrea does not cycle to the school 1 minus R. Does not cycle to the school 1 minus R. The probability that Bonucci does not cycle to the school is 1.3 R. The probability that both Andrew and Bonucci does not cycle to the school is 0.4. Complete the equation. Here we will write now 1.1 minus R multiplied by 1.3 minus R is equal to 0.4. Show that this equation simplified to 10R squared minus 23R plus 9 equal to 0. So we have 1.3 minus R minus 1.3 R plus R squared is equal to 0.4. So R squared minus 2.3 R plus 1.3 minus 0.4 equal to 0. So R squared minus 2.3 R plus 0.9 equal to 0 multiplied by 10. So 10R squared minus 23R plus 9 equal to 0. And this is the same equation here. Okay. Now solve the factorization 10 squared R. So let us try to find the solution. Here 5R, 2R, and then minus 9 minus 1. So now 5R, 10R squared. Here we have 5R, 18 minus, right? So equal to 0. So R is equal to 9 divided by 5, and R is equal to half. So 9 divided by 5, and R equal to half. Find the probability Pinocchio does not cycle to the school. The probability is 1.3 minus R. So we will take half. This one is bigger than 1. So 1.3 minus half is equal to 1.3 minus 0.5, 4 over 5, which is 0.8. So the probability 4 over 5. Okay, let us go ahead. The equation straight line is 2y is equal to 3x plus 4. Find the gradient. So y is equal to 3 divided by 2x plus 4 divided by 2. So y is equal to 1.5x plus 2. So this is the gradient. So the gradient is equal to 1.5. Find the coordinates of the point where the line is cross y-axis. Thus, the coordinate of this point would be 0 and 2, which is this C, which is this value. So 0 and 2. Now, in the diagram, show the straight line L. Find the equation of L. Let us assume this this point which is 3 and 0, and this point here which is 2 and 2. So the equation of the line, let us find the gradient m, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So 2 minus 0 divided by 2 minus 3. So it would equal to 2 divided by minus 1 is equal to minus 2. And the equation here we have 6, so the equation y is equal to minus 2x plus 6. So y equal to minus 2x plus 6. Find the equation of the line perpendicular to L and pass through 9 and 3. The m perpendicular equal to minus 1 over m. So it would be minus 1 over minus 2. So it will be half. So y equal to half x plus c. We have now y equal to 3, half x equal to 9 plus c. So 4.5. So c equal to minus 1.5. So the equation y equal to half x minus 1.5. Minus 1.5. A is a point 8.5 and B is a point minus 4 at 1. Calculate the length AB. AB is equal to square root of x1 minus x2 squared plus y1 minus y2 squared. So square root of 8 minus 4 squared plus 5 minus 1 squared. So square root of 12 squared plus 4 squared. So square root of 12 squared plus 4 squared. So it will equal to 12.65. 12.65. Find the coordinate of the midpoint AB. Midpoint is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, xy1 plus y2 divided by 2. So it will equal to 8 minus 4 divided by 2 and 5 plus 1 divided by 2. So it will equal to 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Okay. The table shows some value of y equal to 1 over 2x minus x divided by 4. For x is bigger than or equal 0.15 and less than or equal 3.5. Now complete the table. We have, let us start to find our calculator. We have 1 divided by, and then open the bracket, 2 multiplied by, let us try the first one, 0.15 minus 0.15 divided by 4. So the first value here is 2.3. Let us go and try the second one, which is here. X is 0.2. 0.2. So the value here is 2.45. So here 2.45. The second value that we need is x equal to 1. So instead of 0.2, we will add here x equal to 1.0, and we will add here 1.0. So 0.25. Now x equal to 2. So we will go back here. Instead of 1, we will add 2. And 2 minus 2.25. So minus 0.25. On the grid, draw the graph of y equal to 1 over 2x minus x over 4 for x bigger than 0.15 less than equal to 3.5. Let me draw the graph. This is your curve. Try to make it smooth as you can. So this is the one. Use 0.05 for x and 0.05 for y. Let us continue. So use your graph to solve the equation 1 over 2x minus x over 4 equal to half. So we have y equal to half, because this part total is y, and here is equal to half, so y equal to half. So let me draw the curve, because he needs using graph, so we need to draw the curve y equal to half. So I draw the line here, y equal to half, and it's intersected here with the curve. I go down here until this point, so I have 55, 60, 65, 70. So x is equal to 0.7. Now draw the line y equal to 2 minus x on the grid. So y equal to 2 minus x, so let us start to draw this curve. So I have y and x. Y and x, so at x equal to 0, y equal to 2. At x equal to 1, y equal to 1. At x equal to 2, y equal to 0. So this is a curve here, this one, which is y equal to 2 minus x. And we have a point here, but the curve here approximate at 0.3, x equal to 0.3, and we cut here approximate at x 0.4. So we have x here 0.3 approximate, and here 2.4. 2.4. Show that the graph of y equal to 1 over 2x minus x over 4 can be used to find the square root of 2. So y equal to 0, y equal to 0, so 1 over 2x minus x over 4 is equal to 0. So 8x here, now 4 minus 2x multiplied by x equal to 0. So 8x equal to 0, and 4 minus 2x squared is equal to 0. So 2x squared is equal to 4. This one with this one is equal to 2. So x squared is equal to 2. So x is equal to plus or minus square root of 2. So it means now this curve can be used to find the square root of 2. Okay? Because one of the roots is square root of 2. Let's go ahead to another point. Expand it and simplify. So x squared minus 3x plus 7x minus 21. So x squared plus 4x minus 21. So x squared plus 4x minus 21. Now factorize completely. Let us 15b squared q squared minus 25q squared. So 5 and q squared. So the remaining 3b squared minus 5q. So 5 squared multiplied by 3b squared minus 5q. Now here we will take g here and g here. So 2g, the remaining is 2f plus 3h plus. From here also we will take k, so 5k. 5k, here the remaining 2f, here the remaining plus 3h. So it will equal to 2g plus 5k multiplied by 2f plus 3h. 18k squared minus m squared, so we can make this 9k minus m plus m minus m plus m. So 81k squared 9m minus, so it will go, yes. So 9k minus m multiplied by 9k plus m. Solve the equation, so let us multiply by 5, so it will be 15x minus 4 plus x plus 2 equal to 30. So 15x minus 60 plus x plus 2 is equal to 30. So 16x is equal to 30 plus 60 minus 2. So x will equal to, let's bring the calculator, open the bracket, 30 plus 60 minus 2 divided by 16. So x is equal to 5.5. So x is equal to 5.5. So show that each interior angle of the regular polygon is 108. So we have how many faces? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the polygon, the angle is equal to 180 minus 360 divided by 5. So it will equal to, let us bring our calculator, 180 minus 360 divided by 5, 108. 108. Okay, let us go ahead. Now the diagram, so regular pentagon ABCDE. The vertex of the polygon lie on the circle, center O, radius equal to 12. M is the midpoint, so this is midpoint of BC, so this one is equal to this one. Find BM, we need the length of BM. Okay, we have this line here and we have this total angle here is equal to 108. So we have also this line here, and this is equal to 12, and this line is equal to 12. So this angle here is equal 108 divided by 2, so 54. So now I have this angle 54, so I can write now P, and this angle is 90 because he divides, this is equal triangle and divide the base into two equals, so it must be 90. So now I have PM divided by 12 equal to cosine 54. So now PM is equal to 12 cosine 54. So let us bring our calculator. 12 multiplied by cosine 54, so 7.05. So PM is equal to 7.05. Now find OMX and APX are straight line. So OMX and the APX straight line. Find BX. So he need this line. We need this line. So again, we have, this is 12 in this triangle. Now in this triangle, this straight angle, this angle here is equal to 180 minus 108. So angle CBX is equal to 180 minus 108. So it's equal to 180 minus 108, so 72. So 72 degrees. Now PM divided by PX is equal to, here this line divided by this one, again this is angle 90, so it's equal to cosine again 72. So now PX is equal to PM, we already calculated from here, 7.05 divided by that cosine 72. So PX is equal to, let's start, 7.05 divided by cosine 72. So 22.8. So 22.8. So this line is 22.8 centimeters. Now calculate the area of triangle AOX. AOX. We have this line 12, because this is the diameter. AX, AB is equal to AB, right here. AB is equal to BC. AB is equal to B is equal to BC is equal to BC. C is equal to 2 multiplied by 7.05. And the AX is equal to AB plus BX. So here this one is equal to AB plus BX. So let us multiply 2 multiplied by 7.05 is equal to 14.1. So 14.1. So it's equal to 14.1 plus 22.81. So it's equal to plus 22.81. So it's equal to 36.91. 36.91. Now the triangle OAX, this angle here again 54, so it's a half. So area is equal to half multiplied by 12 multiplied by 36.91 multiplied by sine 54. Sine angle 54. Okay. So now the area of the triangle 36.9 multiplied by 12 multiplied by half multiplied by sine 54.0. So 179.2. So 179.2. The diagram shows two triangle ABD, ABD, and BCD and BCD. AD is 16.5 centimeter and BD is 12.4. Angle ADB is 64, and the angle BDC is 53, and the angle DBC is 95. Find AB. So he needs AB. So cosine rule. AB squared equal to 12.4 squared plus 16.5 squared minus 2 multiplied by 12.4 multiplied by 16.5 multiplied by cosine 64. So AB equal to, so square root of, open the bracket, 12.4 square plus 16.5 square minus 2 multiplied by 12.4 multiplied by 16.5 multiplied by cosine 64. So 15.7, the line AB is 15.7. So AB is 15.7 centimeters. Now find BC. BC, this angle here, angle C here, is equal to 180 minus 53 plus 95. And then we can use sine rules. So let us find the angle. So angle C again is equal to 180 minus 53 plus 95. 180 minus 53 plus 95. So this angle is 32. So from sine rules, 12.4 divided by sine 32, this is now 32, is equal to BC divided by sine 53. So BC divided by sine 53 is equal to 12.4 divided by sine 32. So BC is equal to 12.4 multiplied by sine 53 divided by sine 32. So let us bring our calculator. 12.4 multiplied by sine 53 divided by sine 32. So 18.7. BC is 18.7. 18.7 here 18.69. Okay. Now the diagram shows a sector of a circle of radius 3.8, the arc length 7.7. Calculate y. So the arc length 7.7 is equal to y divided by 360 multiplied by 2 pi multiplied by r, which is 3.8. So y equal to 7.7 multiplied by 360 divided by 2 pi multiplied by 3.8. 7.7 multiplied by 360 divided by 2 multiplied by 3.8 multiplied by just 5. So it is equal to 116.1. 116.1 degree. So 116.1 degree. Calculate the area of the sector. Area is equal to again y divided by 360 multiplied by pi r squared. So it will equal to 116.1 divided by 360 multiplied by pi multiplied by 3.8 squared. So this angle divided by 360 multiplied by pi multiplied by 3.8 squared. It's equal to 14.6. 14.6 centimeter square. 14.63. Okay. Now 100 students were each asked how much money $M they spent in 1 week. The frequency table shows the results. Now amount M and the frequency. Calculate estimate of the mean. To find the mean, we need to find here the average value. So 5 plus 0 equal to 5 divided by 2, so 2.5. So I have value here 2.5. 10 plus 5, 15 divided by 2, 7.5. 20, 30 divided by 2, 15. 50, 25. 80 divided by 2, 30. So the mean is equals to summation of M divided by summation of the frequency. So it's equal to summation of the frequency. It's 100 students. So 2.5 multiplied by 16 plus 7.5 multiplied by 38 plus 15 divided by 30 plus 25 divided by 9 plus 40 divided by 7. Now open the brackets. 2.5 multiplied by 16 plus 7.5 multiplied by 38 plus 15 multiplied by 30, 25 multiplied by 9 plus 15 multiplied by 7. Close the bracket divided by 100. So let us check again. This one is 16. So the value is equal to 12.8. So the main is equal to 12.8. So this value 12.8 volts. Cumulative frequency table. So we have 16. 16 plus 38 give us 54. 54 plus 30 give us 84. 84 plus 9, 93. And then 93 plus 7 is equal to 100. Now, on the grid, draw the cumulative frequency diagram. This is the cumulative frequency diagram. Use cumulative frequency diagram to find the estimate for the median. So, use your cumulative frequency diagram to find the estimate for the median. The median is at 50. So, we will go at 50 and then we go now down. So approximate $9. So here $9. This is the median. The in quarter range is at 75 and 25. So the value at 75, we go here to 75 and then we go down here. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.5, so 14.5 or 15 approximate, so 15 here, this is the value. And then at 25 here we have, this is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, so 6. So the value is equal to 15 minus 6, which is equal to 9. So the value also here is $9. And the number of the student who spent more than 25. So we will go 25 from here. 25 and then we go up. Here this value is 90. So the number of the student who spent more than 25 will be 100 minus 90. So 100 minus 90, which is equal to 10 student. 10 student. Okay. Let us go ahead to another question. The volume of the solid sphere is 24,430 centimeter cube. Calculate the radius of the sphere. Volume is 4/3 by r power 3. So 24,430 is equal to 4/3 multiplied by pi r power 3. So r is equal to 24,430 multiplied by 3 divided by 4 multiplied by pi. Let us start use our calculator. Shift square root. Now 24,430 multiplied by 3 divided by 4 divided by 5. So 18 centimeter. The radius here is equal to 18 centimeter. 18 centimeter. Okay. Now the melted sphere placed in the empty tank. The tank is a cylinder with radius 50 centimeter. Standing on the circular base, water is poured into the tank to the depth of 60 centimeters. Calculate the number of liters of water needed. So number of liters is equal to the volume of the cylinder minus the volume of the sphere. So it's equal to the volume of the cylinder will be pi r squared L minus the volume of the sphere 430. So it's equal to pi multiplied by r squared, which is 50, multiplied by the length of the water, which is 60, minus 24,430. Now this value will be with centimeter cube. We need to divide it by 1000 to find in liters. So let us find the value now. So open the bracket, just pi multiplied by 50 square multiplied by 60 minus 24,430. So this is the value in centimeter divided by 1000. This is the value in centimeter cube. So 446.8. So divided by this value divided by 1000 is equal to 446.8 liters. So 7 liters. Okay. A different tank is a cuboid measured 1.8 meter by 1.5 by 1.2. Water flows from the pipe into this empty tank at rate 200 centimeter cube per second. Find the time take to fill the tank. Give your answer in the hours and minutes. So now rate, which is equal to 200 centimeter cube per second, is equal to volume divided by time. So he need time. Time is equal to the volume. The volume we have is equal to 1.8 multiplied 1.5 multiplied 1.2 multiplied by, this is meter and we have centimeter cube. So 100 cube divided by 200. Now this is second. This is the time in second. So I needed to change it into hours. So divided by 60 divided by 60. So let us start to find this value. 1.8 multiplied by 1.5 multiplied by 1.2 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 100 divided by 200 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 60. So it will equal to 9 over 2, which is 4.5 hours, which is 4 hours 30 minutes. 4 hours 30 minutes. Okay. Now the diagram shows two mathematically similar shapes with area 295 centimeters squared and 159.5 centimeters squared. The width of the largest shape is 17 centimeters, which is this one. Calculate the width of the smaller shape. So 17 squared divided by the, let us assume this one is x, so divided by x squared is equal to 295 divided by 159.5. So x will be the square root of cross multiplier 17 squared multiplied by 159.5 divided by 295. So square root of 17 square multiplied by 159.5 divided by 295. So it's 12.5. So this width is 12.5 centimeters. Okay, let us go ahead to another question. Now the sequence of the diagram above is made of small lines and dots. Complete the table. The relationship we have here 4 and 10. So it's 6, 10 and 8, 18, 8. Now 18, it's 10. So we change by 2. So I can write now here 12, here 14. So 14. So now the missing value here 18 plus 12, so it's 40, and 40 plus 14 is 54. Here 4 and 8, which is 4, 5, 6, so it will be 7 and 8. So 19 plus 7, 19 plus 7, 26, and 26 plus 8, 35. From the diagram, find the expression in terms of n, the number of the small line. So let us find the small lines. This is the number of the small lines. We have 4, 10, 18, 28. Then we have 6, 8, and 10. Then we have 2 and 2. So let us start. 2a is equal to 2. So from here, a is equal to 1. Now 3a plus b equal to 6. So 6. So from here, 3 plus b equal to 6. So b equal to 6 minus 3 equal to 3. Now a plus b plus c equal to 4. Equal to 4. So 1 plus 3 plus c equal to 4, c equal to 0. So now I can write the equation that we have a n squared plus b n plus c. So n squared plus 3n. This is the formula. So now the diagram R has 10,300 small lines. Find the value of R. So this equation now, which is n squared plus 3n, is equal to 10,300. So I have n squared plus 3n minus 10,300 is equal to 0. I have here a equal to 1, b equal to 3, c equal to minus 10,300. So let us bring our calculator. Equation, which is 5, and then 3, 1, enter, 3, enter, minus 10,300. So x1 is equal to 100. So x and n1 is equal to 100, which represent here R. So R is equal to 100. So this R is equal to 100. Okay. Now the number of dots in diagram n is an squared plus bn plus 1. Find the value of a and the value of b. So let us find the number of dots. Again, this is a series of the dots for 8, 13, 19. So we have here 4, 8, 13, and 19. So from here 4, 5, 6, 1, and 1. So 2a is equal to again 1. So from here a equal to half, and then again 3a plus b is equal to 4. So 3 multiplied by half plus b equal to 4. So b is equal to 4 minus 3 over 2. So it's equal to 8 minus 3 divided by 2, 5 over 2. So a is equal to half and b is equal to 5 over 2. And this is the end of this exam. I hope you understand all the questions. Thank you. Bye.